Shalom, everybody. This Shabbat, we begin an Exodus Rebuild series. We have spent 4 weeks talking about the deliverance that God has for us. We are ready to be set free from the past to go forward in the future. Now, God says this is how you are to rebuild. After difficult times, after a broken spirit, after getting knocked off track, after not knowing where you are or that things have changed, this is how to rebuild. We are in the rebuilding business with God at CBJ. I'm standing by the doors into our sanctuary. These doors are crafted in the exact same way our Torah Ark is. It looks like flames. It is bronze. It is beautiful. It's majestic. It's handcrafted. God is putting His hand upon us on this Shabbat. So as we begin our Exodus Rebuild series, let's rebuild what God says about who we are, what we are to do, where we are to go, and how we are to do it. I am so excited about the strength that is ahead of us that begins on this Shabbat. I'll see you on Shabbat. Shalom, shalom.